Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, along with Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, today inaugurated tourism amenities named as the Traveller's Nest at Kiem Village in Mauplang. The Traveller's Nest has 5 cottages and a restaurant. The Kiem Traveller's Nest, a project funded by the Meghalayan Age Limited through the Meghalayan Rural Tourism Cooperative Federation Limited, with an investment of 94 lakhs. Inaugurating the infrastructure, the Chief Minister highlighted the importance of community engagement in driving the state's economic model. The Chief Minister also inaugurated the state's first biofertilizer unit in Kiem Village. During the program, he also flagged off 8 prime tourism vehicles.
I spoke about the organic fertilizers in enough supply at the right price at the right time, then obviously the entire purpose is defeated. And hence this biofertilizer plant is absolutely necessary. And as of now, we have a requirement of approximately 25,000 metric tons of biofertilizer in the state as a whole. And obviously the demand will grow as we move along, because we'll have more areas under organic farming that plans to be brought in. And hence this particular plant will to a large extent be able to cater to the need of especially the region and even to a large extent the state as a whole.